What's up everyone, this is Invest for More and welcome back to my channel. In today's video I want to share with you a video from Kyle Chasse, the CEO of Paid Network, and let's see what he has to say about their company. If you didn't know, you have to watch this video because his company was hacked. The Paid Network token was hacked, and let's see his words about what happens with Paid Network.
To all of you who have reached out to offer your help and support and show your love and appreciation, and just support has been so helpful in the situation. I just wanted to make a quick video to tell you all that we're still here, we're not going anywhere, and we will we'll get through this together as a community. And again, yeah, thank you so much for all your kind words and support. It really means the world to me, and we will get through this and we'll be stronger because of it. Thank you guys, and I will talk to you a little bit later today.
So yes, guy, he's not gonna leave. He's gonna continue with Paid Network, and we have to support him. We have to support his team because they are working so hard behind the scene. And myself, I'm gonna be one of the supporter of Paid Network. If you still do not trust Kyle Chasse, I'm gonna give you some very important information about him. He was invested in 2012 in Bitcoin, and he went all in Bitcoin at that time in 2012. In 2014 he invested in Ethereum ICO, initial coin offering, and some of his Bitcoin were invested in Ethereum before they launched on the market. And also he invested in other big ICOs, other big projects like Kraken, Bitstamp, Shapeshift, Coin Payments, and other tokens. So I think he's really smart guy. He went all in Bitcoin in 2012, and then he found so good opportunities, and I think he doesn't need our money to destroy his reputation, because his reputation in crypto space, crypto ecosystem is very huge. Now we're gonna go to their Telegram group because they posted 2 announcements today, and let's see what they're saying. Here is their Telegram group, and here is the first announcement to our community. First of all, we would like to thank you everyone for their continued support at this time of crisis. Our team has been working around the clock to resolve the negative impact to our Paid Network community as a result of this malicious attack. We have designated a special task force to investigate the source of this attack. At this time, we have been advised by both our legal and security counsel that it is in everyone's best interest to continue with the investigation fully before divulging further information, as to not impede our progress and ensure the best possible outcome for all stakeholders. Transparency is an integral part of Paid, and we will provide further clarity on the situation as details come at the end of our investigation. This is a trying time for all of us, and the support of our community and partners have been much appreciated. We will continue to work tirelessly to restore the trust in which you have all bestowed on us. Our community has become family to us, and just like family, we will stick by each other until the end. Rest assured, we will not stop working until we get to the bottom of this. And here is the second announcement. Dear community, we are working on a post-mortem report of the hack and will have information to announce soon. Please rest assured this was not a rug pull, and we will be entirely transparent in our findings. As soon as we were noticed of the hack, we immediately called in all the right people to help us resolve the problem in the most fair and effective way. We want to remind our community to not transact in the current Paid Network, and please stand by for our official announcement. As you can see guys, they are working behind the scene, they are working very hard because this project has to become back, and it has to be really big because it's very helpful for real life. So with that being said guys, subscribe to my channel. I'm gonna give you updates about this Paid Network. Do not let your emotions to control you, because we are all in this together. So you're not the only one who lost Paid Network tokens. Again, thank you for watching. See you next time.